And good morning everyone. PSEi, ang ganda ng market yesterday. I'm very excited for PSEi. It broke the parang initial resistance natin at 8133. Closed at 8154. It's poised to break out 8,200, touch the upper Bollinger Band. Gusto nyo po tignan, I'll show it to you. Yes, that's the upper Bollinger Band. It's hit already. And very excited. I hope nakapag-ipon na po kayo ng pera and nakapagbodega na kayo sa baba. I received a question here early naman na question is, kamusta si BPI? Isa yan sa mga pinagbobodega ko na po sa inyo habang hindi pa nag-breakout sa market, and it already has volume the past few days and it's starting to go up. Guys, ibodega nyo na po yan habang maaga pa. Dapat dito nyo binubuhos sa mga pera ninyo, sa mga stocks na nasa baba pa. When the market starts to go up, man, you're gonna be riding a big climb for this stock. BPI already starting to go up. Hopefully nakapagbodega na kayo. We'll talk more about this. I have a few picks for today. Yung ibang mga ano natin, mga alaga natin, for mga blue chips ko. BDO is already going up. I keep telling you guys, for long term yan. It's already did a new 52-week high yesterday, BDO. Right. Yan, isa sa mga alaga ko rin is Ali, Ayala. And nag 52-week high na naman sa Ayala. I did recommend Ayala at MA20 and nagsisimula na naman siya umakyat. The good stocks are starting to go up. So I hope na may pera kayo over the weekend. I hope you get money, mag-fund kayo, and then put in those stocks na nasa baba pa, especially the blue chips ones. Yan yung unang yun yung pinakamalakas aakyat pag nag-bullish ng market. And we're just waiting for the 8,200 breakout to be really sure na magbo-bullish market na. Yan. So abangan niyo po yan. Very exciting days ahead for PSEi. Stay invested. Okay? I'm gonna go to the comments. Good morning everyone. Good morning to my daughter Laika. And Hops input po for PSEi. Yes, we just talked about it. MPI, DNL. I'll go to the charts right away. MPI. Si MPI ayan, si MPI natutulog sa MA20. But these are good signs. Ang problema kasi dyan, kaya matagal sa MA20 yan, is because andyan rin yung resistance. Napakalapit na resistance ni MPI. Hopefully, if the bullish market comes, mag-breakout rin yan si MPI. So many good things ahead for MPI. Definitely, MPI is in one of my lists for long term. Alaga ko rin yan. DNL. DNL, bodega lang ng DNL. We are at buy levels. These are the massive supports of DNL. Pasukin nyo po yan dyan habang andyan pa yan yung presyo niya. Ibodega nyo po yan. Bull and Bear, good day. Sinlord, good morning sir. Insights kay BPI. Thanks, we just talked about BPI. Habang mura pa po yan, ayan, may pag-asa pang, pwede pang habulin yan kahit malakas ang climb yesterday. Overall, it's still very cheap. Pwede pang pasukin, right? Magbodega na kayo kay BPI habang maaga pa. Francis Kier, Pandes, good morning sir. Pasilip naman po ng now. If you missed BPI, come on guys, I keep telling you, pasukin na yan. If you missed this climb, grabe naman, right? Sabi ko sa inyo, I always tell this to my students, if you want to practice trading, if you want to create a system or practice a system, or you want to test out a system, test it on blue chips, right? If ever hindi nyo po pinasok si BPI, why not? Diba? Blue chip po yan, nasa support, napakamura ng presyo, massive support at this area. Bakit hindi natin pasukin, di ba? That is how you start as a trader. Always start with blue chips, right? Francis Kier, Pandes, good morning sir. Pasilip naman ng now. Si now umakyat kahapon with backup ng mga followers ni now. Right, si Mr. Villarde nag-post about it, and other supporters ng now nagpo-post din about now, kaya umakyat si now, right? They're gonna be supporting the third telco now. They can support the third telco, right? So somehow it managed to wake up the stock for 2 days. Ang problema ko now, it's already in between support and resistance. Nakikita niyo po yan. It's already between support and resistance. It's not worth the risk anymore. I don't want to recommend it today. hopefully it will go back to support, and let's test it out once it goes back to support and bounces and confirms the support. Saka naman natin testingin. Aubrey May Marcaida, good morning Sir Lloyd. Happy Friday to everyone and to you. Hops, sir, good morning. Ano po recommend nyo stocks pasukin abroad? Tataas na eh. Right, speaking of tataas na, look at our stocks on our port. This is portfolio natin sa eToro. Those who are copy trading me, congratulations. The port is already starting to look healthy. Nag 2% na po si Del. Ilang araw na natin hinawakan to. Sayang, $300 lang ang pinasok ko kay Del. This was the time na konti pa lang ang port natin. Kaya medyo nasa 300 pa lang ako yung comfort zone ko on trading a stock. And now, since we increased the portfolio, I increased my portfolio. I'm testing at the $500 comfort zone ko. So 500 lang muna per stock ang pinapasok ko. Hopefully in the coming days, maging comfortable ako with increasing the entry price of a stock. But makikita nyo po dyan, starting to improve. We're already gaining. Tigpa $500 lang pinapasok ko. But the positions are already up. Tesco, kakapasok lang natin kahapon, nag-gain ka agad. Dropbox, these are my watch lists. Dropbox 1.76. Actually, pwede pang pasukin ng mga ito. Napakamura pa. AGNC starting to go up. This went up more than 1% yesterday. And si Facebook medyo nag-pull back. But kaka-breakout lang kasi niyan. But still, we're up with Facebook. I'd say yes, pwede pang pasukin ng mga ito. Pwede niyo pa pasukin ang mga positions na ito. Ang last na inaabangan ko si Netflix. Nag-aantay ako mag-breakout. This is one of my watch list. Naka-pending order lang yan. Pag nag-breakout si Netflix, automatic pong papasok yan. That's the beauty of the international market. Kaya tulog ako. Pag nag-breakout yan, makakapasok ako automatically. So take advantage of it if you want to trade. Okay? Congratulations for those who are copy trading me. Our performance for this month is starting to go up already. We are up 0.64 already. Alright, looking good for July. Okay, sir, anong recommend nyo stocks? Yeah, yun muna. Yung nasa port ko, hindi pa naman nagliliparan yung mga yan except si Del. Pwede bang pasukin yon? Right? Ronald Ray Tome, good morning Sir Lloyd. Pa-insight sa TUGS. SOC, FEN, LRW. Let's check out TUGS. Si TUGS Green yesterday. Medyo for short-term trading, it's kind of volatile, but I am recommending TUGS for mid to long term right now kasi it's been very cheap, right? Si TUGS. I will be recommending na bodegan niyo po yan. Pag bumaba pa, just keep buying more. This is a good company. TUGS has been doing well. Ang dami lang mga gandang expansions. It's just that market sentiments are down for TUGS right now. Walang gaanong investor. So bodegan niyo po si TUGS habang maaga pa. This is a good sign for bodega. That's a confirmation of a support for this support. But for short-term traders, wag muna. It's too aggressive for short-term traders for TUGS. Next is SOC. Ito si SOC. Maganda yung dalaw eh. Support is sustaining for SOC. I'd say yeah. If you wanna test out SOC, pwede nyo po i-testing ito. Buy as long as the support holds for SOC. PHEN. Si FEN naman, nag-pull back yesterday si FEN, di ba? Ang alam ko. Yeah, nag-pull back yesterday. So we're waiting for a bounce. If it bounces a higher low or confirms the support, that's a buy for me. This right here is an engulfing pattern. We're expecting this, and any bounce soon is an entry point for FEN. Should you wanna enter FEN? Pero nasa taas na po si FEN eh. Pero okay na itong pullback na ito. This is a good rise for FEN. Still overall is on an uptrend. LRW, tignan natin. Si LRW at LR nagpapahinga pa after a strong climb. Bumalik na naman dito, right? We wanna wait for LR and LRW to stabilize before we wanna start recommending it again. Ian John Cantor, sir, okay po ba mag-invest sa Libra company portfolio? Yes, definitely. Number one reason is the development of Libra. Libra is very good, right? The Libra idea is a cryptocurrency na in between centralization and decentralization, right? Marami nasasabi magandang decentralized. It's too free for me. Whenever something is too much, freedom is always bad. right? It's always bad. Kaya po nangagamit sa maraming pangit na bagay sa Bitcoin because of the too much freedom that we're talking about. Now, Libra is something in between. This is somewhere meeting what the centralized people wants and meeting the decentralized people, what the decentralized people also need. Okay, somehow still decentralized kasi hindi hawak ng government, so it's still there. It's in between those two, so this is something good. I would rather prefer this than Bitcoin talaga if ever Libra comes up. And I'd say the big businesses will want Libra also. Kaya po big businesses ayaw sa Bitcoin. It's because it's too decentralized. If it's now, if it happens to be in between, then major companies will start embracing it. Even countries will start embracing it, 'di ba? Teka lang. There is a fund for Libra in eToro. Libra, right? So Libra portfolio. The second reason why I'd say it is good is because bakit ayaw? Hindi nag-load yan. It's because the Libra portfolio, if you want to invest in it, amount deposit around 2,700 in order to, so kulang ang pera ko. Stop investing in copper portfolio drops below. Ito 'yon. $2,000 po ang minimum to invest in the Libra portfolio. So if you have $2,000 and you're looking for a fund, ito yung mga ETFs, ito yung mga UITFs sa international. Now, eToro created a fund for us, which comprises of companies that are supporting Libra. Now, number 2 reason why I say this is good is because look at all the stocks under Libra. These are very good companies. Facebook, MasterCard, Visa, VOD, eBay, Spotify, Lyft, Uber, right? Booking Holdings, PayPal, Meli, Iliad, Farfetch. These are very good companies that are backing up, that are inside the Libra portfolio. I'd say yes, this is a good portfolio, this is a good fund to invest in, and it's just $2,000 po. Si Facebook, umaangat ng umaakat. MasterCard, I believe MasterCard created an all-time high yesterday. Let's look at the chart of MasterCard. Yes, all-time high yesterday. I'm saying this is a good fund to invest in. Napakaganda po ng mga stocks na mga yan na nasa loob ng fund. So just look for Libra portfolio, and you can invest in it. Automatic na po ito. Historically speaking, itong portfolio na ito hindi pa lang nabuo, but with all the funds that are in it, kung nagsimula lang ito noong January, ang laki na sana ng performance ng ng stock na ito, ng fund na ito. 1 month lang ang red niya and other months are positive already. If this would have started last January pa, but yan, January 8%, 4%, it would have been a 25% gain already for these stocks under the portfolio. This is a very good fund, I tell you. $2,000 lang, right? This is good passive income for you guys. So that's to answer the question of Ayan Jan Cantor, okay po ba mag-invest Libra company portfolio? Yes, if ever hindi lang ako naging fund manager, I would have invested in Libra portfolio. I believe in the technology. Ito yung hinahanap ko na crypto talaga. Somewhere in between. XRP somehow na ginagamit na ng mga bank, but somehow it's still at that level na too much freedom. Kaya Libra portfolio would be perfect for that need. Okay, so Jonah Aguilar, good morning. Mike 16, good morning Sir Lloyd, and like a happy weekend po to all members ng Daily Grind. Good morning po sa inyo. A little request from me, guys. I've earned this request. Please share the video. Paki-share po ang video to your Facebook walls so that your friends, this will spark their curiosity. Investing in the stock market, in the assets, starts with curiosity talaga, right? Once they see that, yung friend ko, ganito, ganyan, magtatanong sa inyo yan, ganito, ganyan, that's already a big help for them, right? It's a service for them. Please share the video to your Facebook walls. Please share the video to your trading groups para naman po ang mga newbies sa trading groups ninyo, malaman nila that there's a program like this that can help them in the stock market journey. Trabajador, good morning. Jonar Aguilar, ISM, LHC, SSI, FEN, PHA. Si Natawa ako eh. May nag-send sa akin na message kahapon. Sir Lloyd, ang sakit ng ulo ko ngayon. Bakit? Si ISM, nag-cut loss ako. Tapos nag-bounce na naman. Yan. That's the problem if ever hindi nyo talaga define kung ano ang purpose nyo in getting in a stock. I always tell you this, at the very first entry mo, you should know what your purpose is para hindi ka po matatakot at alam mo po anong gagawin mo. Be sure if you're a short-term trader or if you're a long-term trader. Kung short-term trader kayo, MA20 was the support. Dapat dito pa lang nag-cut loss na kayo. Tapos nung nagpanic na, laki na ng loss na nakikita, saka naman sila nagbenta. Bakit kayo magbebenta? Napakamura na ng stock. That's the question right there. So, binenta ng kaibigan ko dito around that area and bumalik naman kaagad. Laki ng loss niya from this point, from this support to here for nothing. Nagtapon lang ng pera. That's because hindi niya alam anong gagawin niya from the very beginning. Define what your purpose is in getting in a stock. If your purpose is for long term, kung babagsak man yan, kung long term ang pasok nyo, long term ang purpose ninyo, dapat matuwa kayo kung bumagsak yan because that's your opportunity to buy more kung long term naman kayo. Diba? So, sinasabi ko po sa inyo yan lagi. Yesterday would the red position would have been a buy position already. Saka naman binenta ng mga tao. Right, ISM, too volatile for short-term traders. For long-term investors, definitely a buy more signal. Please know what your purpose is if you want to enter the stock. Hindi ko pa po i-recommend yan for short term. I want to stabilize first before I start recommending it for short term trading. For long term, definitely buy more. LHC, si LHC nagpapahinga pa rin sa MA20, too high for me. I don't want to recommend the stock anymore. Ilang beses ko po yung na-recommend. Dito pa habang bumagsak, may nagalit pa sa akin kay Poppy. But I keep telling you guys, that stock is still very cheap considering how much Ayala bought it. And MA20 bounces, keep recommending it. Napakataas na po ni LHC ngayon. Congratulations sa mga nakapasok sa bagger na yan. I don't want to recommend it anymore right now. It's too high up there. Marami pong stocks na nasa baba. Yun pong paglaruan natin. Huwag tayong maiinggit sa akyat ng mga yan. Si SSI, may question. Good morning sir, paki-explain po sana ulit sa eToro ano ang perfect time to do copy trading and ano ang flow. Kasi nag-copy ako pero negative pa rin ako kahit yung kinokre ko is green na. Don't worry about that. That should stabilize after a month or two ng kinopya ninyo. Kasi magre-recover pa yun. Baka kasi nung nag-start ka ng copy trading, medyo mataas pa. Copy trading is not for just 1 month or 2 months. Give it around 6 months for your copy trader to stabilize the port. Sa kanya kikita. Right? Huwag nyo po titingnan ng unang month or second month na nag-copy lang kayo. Right? Para mag-positive kayo. Don't worry about that. Magsa-stabilize na rin yan as long as the person you're copying is doing good. Right? Magsa-stabilize yan. It's just copy anytime. Because if ever that person na kinopya po ninyo are holding the stock, that means they still believe the stock is still gonna go up. Okay? Don't worry about the positions na meron. Wala, mag-green na siya masyado, natakot na ako mag-copy trade. Wag po. Or just copy trade it. Maybe on the first month, you might go negative. Don't worry about that. Hayaan nyo po yan. Mas longer term. Around 6 months to a year, magpa-positive na yan. 6 months, I will tell you 6 months usually makapag-cover na yan. Taka lang ha. Shh! Right, kasi may nagtatapon ng basura sa loob ng bakod namin. Hi, mga neighbors. Happy weekend. Mike 16. Trabajador, good morning Sir Lloyd sa lahat. Good morning din. Jonar Aguilar, ISM, LHC. Ayun, mabasa ko na pala yun. Si SSI. Kasi I highlight things and hindi ko pala nagalaw yung highlights ko. SSI, already very near resistance. I don't want to play with SSI anymore. Masyado mataas na po si stock na yan. Waiting for it to stabilize. Maybe do a breakout. Pero gusto ko pa mag-stabilize muna yan. Maybe we can start testing it again once we see stabilization. Too high already. Marami pong stocks na nasa baba pa. Yun po paglaruan natin. Si FEN, we talked about it already. PHA, recommended it yesterday. And it was going green already. MA20 po tayo pumasok. Pwede pang habulin since hindi pa lumilipad talaga. Raymond CPO, good morning Sir Lloyd. Insights for ISM and BPI. ISM, we just talked about ISM. BPI, Si BPI po guys, bodega pa, pwede pang bodegahin si BPI. Overall, still very cheap. Yan po, bakit hindi natin pinapasok? Ang ganda ng posisyon na yan. Yun yung mga stocks na dapat pinapasok ninyo as a trader habang nasa baba pa. Daran Buwag, Sir Lloyd, may vacant pa ba sa morning and ang eToro Davao? Yes, definitely. Just register. Okay lang naman po. eToro gave us go signal na pag nag-over po tayo ng seats, si eToro po ang bahala. So, it's okay. Wag po kayo matakot. Just register. Send your kid in the morning, right? Your kids, yung mga neighbors ninyo, yung mga nahihirapan sa pera nila, the morning session is gonna be very beneficial for them. It's an educative session for how to handle money, and at the same time, it's gonna be inspirational for them para po mag-start po sila maghawak ng pera na maganda. Send your kids, even you guys, if ever nahirapan pa kayo sa pera ninyo, you don't really know where to put it, pumasok kayo sa stock market na walang plano about your investing guides, your investing journey. Join the seminar this July 20 po yan, Saturday, sa Davao po, sa The Hotel. Sagot po ni eToro, ang karamihan na expenses is just 500 pesos for you. Morning session, it's for financial literacy, financial freedom 101, how to get rich in the stock market, where to place your money para hindi po napapasok sa scam, and to understand how much gain in investment is already good, right? In retirement and everything, right? Planning ahead. Afternoon session is the trading masterclass. Yan, so mga marunong na, nasa stock market na, if you want to learn how to trade, the trading masterclass is gonna be very good for you, right? Register po kayo. Andun po yung link sa Facebook page ko, and I posted it in the Billionaires Club. August 4 po. August 4, I'll be in Rome, Italy. Mga kapatid natin dyan sa Rome, Italy. Join the seminar. It's gonna be a whole day event. Same format. Morning is the financial literacy seminar. In the afternoon is the trading masterclass. Okay. Tomorrow, I'm gonna have a live program. Magsisimula na po akong gumawa ng Money Weekend program. Abangan niyo po bukas at around 10 in the morning. I'm gonna have a live program about fund management, your how to handle your money. We're gonna be talking about retirement funds and savings, where to place your savings. Okay? Bukas po yan. 10 in the morning. It's gonna be live. Magsisimula na po tayo about talking about money. Okay? Let's go. Gio Peter Sebastian. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Regarding sa news ni Didi sa Investorgrams about dividends sa reported June, wala naka-reflect sa chart ni Didi. Didi, Double Dragon, one of my recommendations for today. So June 19, nga pala no, walang lumabas na June 19. I'm not really following dividends that much. Ang tinitingnan ko lang mga dividends, yung mga malalaki talaga magbigay. These are stocks na hindi naman gaanong kalaki yan magbigay ng dividends. So those really are not that relevant. Noel Minano, sir, sending inquiry bago pumasok sa work. Noel Minano, asan na yun? Bumagsak bigla yung comments eh. Gaining $13 at multiple entry Intel. Paano po mag-sell half sa eToro? Very good question, right? Good job in entering Intel. Right, so just go to your portfolio and then, for example, i-sell half natin si Delco, right? So just click on the stock. Once you're in your portfolio, click on the stock and they should come up. And then may X dito sa right side. Just click on this, and then may mayroon po dito tick box that says close only part of the trade. Click on that, and then ikaw na po bahala. Units ba? Kasi your current units, you have for example, you have, hindi ko alam ilan yung units yung hawak ko, but this is half of the units, so more or less I should have around 5.7 units. Let me correct that. Yes, there it is, 5.75. So if I sell half, because I have 5.75 units, I can sell half of it, which is 2.8, right? And then you can edit that. You can edit to units, and then 2.88. Pwede po mas marami or mas konti lang, 1/4 lang. 1/4 ng 1/2 ng 2.88 is 1.4. So I can do 1.4, and I can sell $74 of my position. This is 1/4 of my position. So it's up to you. Pwede nyo pong ano yan, ganyan. That's how you sell half. Okay? So I'm just closing it. Uni Nani, good morning. Francis Wahilan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Yoni Pioka, good morning. Speaking of eToro, guys, I am trading in the international market now. I am focusing more in the international market. You see how easy it is to really do good in the international market because technical analysis tend to work better if there is volume. Napakaganda po ng volume ng international market. Nasdaq most specifically, si Nasdaq $2 trillion a day. $2 trillion is, you do the math, $2 trillion is 110 billion pesos a day. Right? 110 billion pesos a day ang dumadaloy na pera dyan. Sa Pilipinas po, 5 billion pesos lang po. That's like 20 times more volume than the Philippine stock market. 20 times. Right? Kahit lang doblehin mong PSE, napakalaki na yan. But this is 20 times the volume of PSE. That's why it's very nice to trade in the international market because of the volume. Yung PSE, to give you a picture of how small the volume is in PSE, yung volume ng PSE is katumbas lang ng Netflix. Isang kumpanya lang yan sa Nasdaq, si PSE. Okay? Ganyan po kalit ang volume ni PSE. Okay? Netflix lang ang katumbas ng buong market ng PSE. Okay? That's why it's really nice to trade in the international market. Sa PSE, stay invested. Investing po ang gawin niyo sa PSE. And if you want to learn how to trade in eToro. Right? Mas maganda po mag-trade dito. And there's a virtual port. Just click on this area right here that says real. Click on virtual portfolio. You can go to your virtual portfolio. You will be given $100,000 na virtual equity. Pwede po kayo mag-practice dito. I just put some on Chocowin, on Ames Trader, pang copy trade sa kanila, and it's already gaining from them. Wala akong ginagawa. Nagtatrade lang sila, Chocowin and Ames Trader by themselves, and I'm gaining. That's a passive part of it. But you can also trade here. And then once you're in your portfolio, you can go to your watch list. Makikita nyo po ang mga stocks na pwede nyo pong pasukin dyan. Right? And also, I want to invite you to the eToro team ng Pilipinas, na group ng Facebook. So, in your Facebook page, search for Team eToro Pilipinas. Right? Search for that Team eToro Pilipinas. And once you get in, send a request to join. I'm one of the admins here. Shout out to the admins there. You'll see here mga newbies who are trading the stock market already. Makita nyo po dyan, nagpa-practice na sila. There are newbies here like Richard New, done drilling 119% on his oil. Grabe mag-leverage ang mga tao na ito, times 50 leverage. That's the advantage of leveraging. If you think you are gonna be earning, it's okay to borrow money. Ganyan po yan. Ganyan po ang ginagawa nila Dennis Uy. The businessman do that. Leveraging is borrowing money from eToro. You can borrow money kung konti lang pera ninyo, kung sure naman kayo na aakyat yan. And people are taking advantage of it. Grabe earnings, $119 because of the times 50 leverage. Amazing. The admins here, my co-admins here are scalpers in eToro. Makita nyo po dyan, nagsascalp po yan sila. June Mainit Hairstyle, shout out to my friend June na nasa Rome. He's already trading while nagtatrabaho. He's already gaining in the international market. Ang ganda ng post niya. Sharing my small trades starting Tuesday. I love eToro habang nagugupit, habang nagtatrabaho, na-sell, naka-auto sell kasi naka-target profit. This is how beautiful eToro is. People here are already earning. People here are guiding you how to do it. Meron po tayong Discord group for eToro. Dun po nila tinuturo yung scalping techniques nila. Should you wanna learn it in the future, scalping with eToro, pwede nyo po gawin. Alright? Join the group. I'm sure this is gonna be a helpful group for you if you wanna start trading in eToro. Apajing Lara, hi sir. IRC, ISM. Thanks IRC. Kamusta natin si IRC? Still playing at the support. Antay lang ng green. That will be confirming the support for IRC. Pwede pasukin yan pag na-green. But maganda yung action yesterday for IRC. It already is, what do you call this? Confirming the support actually. So IRC, buy as long as the support holds. ISM. And si ISM, we talked about it. For long-term traders, long-term investors, pwede na pasukin yan. That's an opportunity to buy more. Sa mga short-term traders, antay lang tayo mag-stabilize before you wanna get in. King Bakay, hi coach, good morning. See you in Macau. See you soon. Palanuhan po natin yung Macau. touch natin si eToro. eToro, mag-sponsor ka naman for Macau. Gehian Peñaloga, good morning Sir Lloyd, PHA. PHA still good, andyan pa rin tayo sa MA20, pwede man pasukin. Jason de la Cruz, good morning Sir Lloyd, thank you for your program. Maraming natutulungan. Ano po ang reco ninyo sa Metrobank? Metrobank, bodegahin nyo po yan habang nasa baba pa. Medium to long term ang Metrobank. Support is there. Pula siya kahapon, but that's a gap up. That's a good sign still. That's a good signal for MBT. Bodegahin nyo na po yan habang nasa mura pa si Metrobank. Gio Peter Sebastian, sir, please ko kay food. Food naman, medyo nag-bounce na si food. This is something good for food. I'd say, yeah, this is a good dip that we can test out for food. It's been holding on to this support. So, yeah, I could say food is a good entry right there. Na overall, mura pa si food. So, yes, that's a good entry point for food. Green. Si Green, antay lang ng breakout kay Green. Nag-doji siya yesterday. Wait lang tayo ng breakout before you wanna enter Green. DD, si DD is one of my... No, hindi siya sa picks ko ngayon. I'm just waiting for DD to really do a breakout before I wanna pick it up. Kaya po nasabi ko na it's in my pick kasi iniisip ko to kanina kung i-recommend ko ba or hindi. Too aggressive for me if I wanna recommend it, but definitely this is a very good signal already. Meron tayong resistance dito. Aggressive players, I'd say yes already. This is an engulfing pattern. This is the stabilization that I always wait before after the engulfing pattern with the Bollinger Band. So yes, this is already a buy for me. It's just that I'm recommending things na kaya hindi ko po ni-recommend, inaantay ko lang ang breakout for really recommending, but this is already a buy for aggressive players. I'd say DD is already a buy. Romnick TV, how about Tech? Sir Lloyd, si Tech, dalawang nag-pullback na ba si Tech? Yan, nagpo-pullback po siya. The bounce soon for Tech is our entry point. Inaabangan ko po yan, yung bounce niya. Pag nag-bounce yan, napakamura rin ni Tech. Definitely wanna get in Tech once the bounce happens. Baka mag-bounce yan today, abangan nyo po. Wala lang bounce kahapon. Kaya hindi ko po ma-recommend today. But baka today, mag-bounce yan. So, ma-recommend natin yan bukas, hopefully, hindi pa tayo maiwan bukas. Para kung hindi po kayo maiwan, abangan nyo po ang bounce today pag nag-bounce yan. Maybe at the end of the day, at the middle of the day, maganda na yung bounce niya, pwede nyo na pasukin. Good morning, Sir Coach. Okay lang ba mag-long term kay LHC? I'd say yes, Poopy is a good company to invest in. Noel Minano, investing is real. International market, AMD news of Ryzen now new products keeps sending the price up, unlike PSE sell now news. Tama po. Napakaganda sa international market. Whenever there's good news, umaakyat po ang stock. Hindi tulad sa PSE na pagpeperahan kayo ng mga magagaling na talaga na traders. Right. So AMD still starting to go up. May resistance lang kay AMD. I'm waiting for AMD to do a breakout. Nasa watchlist ko po yan. If you see there, it's in my watchlist. Nasa Lloyd na watchlist yan. Strong resistance right here. If that breaks out, I'll be entering AMD. Very good company. Ganda ng mga products. That is what caused for this stock to go up. Right. Yeah, investing in the international market is real. I tell you guys, sayang po, if nagtitiis po kayo sa PSE, why not do it in a good opportunity, in a better opportunity, which is the international market. Doon po kayo mag-trade. You can always invest in PSE naman. Yan po ang ginagawa ko ngayon. I'm just leaving my stocks for long term in PSE. Natatawa nga ako kasi I have a group na power traders who were focusing on PSE before. And then, ngayon, ang chat na-divert na sa international market. International market na ang tinitrade nila ngayon, which is I'm very happy for it. Whenever someone asks about a stock in PSE, sasagot nila, may PSE pa pala. Kasi nasa international stocks na po, yung mga traders na mga gagaling, kilala ko. Even, I want to shout this out. We had a new member yesterday sa Team eToro Pilipinas. The winner of Investa Cup is already in eToro. Yan. Welcome, Paul Michael Ko. Right, he was the winner of the Trading Cup. Right, Paul Michael Ko. If you want to view the profile, check his profile out. He was the winner of Investa Cup, previous Investa Cups, and he's now in the eToro team. Nagte-trade na po sa eToro. Because the opportunity in the international market, ulitin ko po, is very good. Yet even the good traders in Philippines is already trading in the international market using eToro. Okay, Emily Gulciano, good morning sir. Lloyd, balita ko makapag-partnership daw sinaw kay dito. Yes, yun yung sinabi ni Mr. Tony Herbosa. Um, that is good. Hindi lang si Sir Tony Herbosa nagsabi niyan. Even the CEO, Mr. Pilarde. Yan. They are willing to partner up. They are saying, they're pitching actually. Nagpe-pitch po sila. They're open to a partnership with dito. Yung technology nila, current technology nila, pwede nilang ipagamit kay dito para naman mas mabilis mag-roll out si dito. Which I don't know if it will happen. It can happen. They're inviting dito for that possibility. But with dito's money, and they're patient enough, I'd say they don't really need it. But when pressure comes na kailangan nila what do you call this, mag partner with other companies so that they can just para mas mabilis po yung rollout nila, then they might. But for now, wala pa naman pressure, so that's okay. Kasi ako, if I'm the business, I'm still starting. So, ang daming external factors kasi na pwedeng mangyari na pumalpak if I have so many partners. So, I want to make sure my starting, yung simula ko will be good. Okay? If I partner up with now, maybe if now will allow me to really tinker up with the towers, I'd say yes, para lang ma-sure yung services ko. But that's another external factor that could ruin the start. Right? Ang gusto ko ngayon kay dito is they're being patient. Hindi po nila minamadali. Right? They want to make sure na ang initial rollout nila is gonna give a good taste. Yung first impression, kumbaga, they're being patient right now. So that's something very good. Maybe it's rumor right now. Maybe that's because that's the reason why now is going up, but that's not, it's still a rumor. Good morning sir, insights kay Tags inyo. Sabi ko sa inyo, I really don't like a CEO that is tweeting, is because yun yung nagpapabango siya kay dito, and in return yung andyan yung I'm not saying it's true, but it's just my thought. Whenever CEO tweets, kasi there's always a side to it that really tells me na eto na naman tong CEO na to, baka gustong umakyat na naman yung stock. Ayan. So yan, that's the reason why I'm not investing in Elon Musk, kasi it makes the stock volatile, right? Si Elon Musk lagi nagtutweet, medyo maingay na CEO, and it affects the stock, and I don't like that. And Zaira Quincy Abelo, good morning sir, insights kay Tags please. Tags, bodega na, medium to long term po yan, habang mura pa. Becca Tangan, pa-check din po si EW, MPI, IMI, and DNL. Alright, EW. Right, so East-West, very challenging because we have a resistance right here. If you really want to enter EW, breakout na lang kasi masyadong mataas na po. MPI, it's not giving us kasi a pullback. If mag-pullback yan and mag-bounce, definitely it's an entry. Si MPI, wait for the breakout, ayaw mag-load ng chart, but wait for the breakout. Si IMI then ayaw mag-load. And ayaw talaga. Ayan, si IMI, wait for the bounce. If it bounces, look at the Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is saying this is a very stable price. You can start to test out the stock. Konti lang muna, tikim natin. Pag nag-breakout, you just add more. Pag nag-green po yan, pwede nyo po i-test by si IMI. DNL, si DNL, bodega lang habang nasa baba pa si DNL. Okay. Arjel Mendoza, good morning Sir Lloyd. And Laika, CHP po, PIP, B-Core. Ayan, si CHP nag-bounce na. Si CHP nag-bounce na, but it broke MA20. That is a signal na tapos na yung short-term trend niya. We'll see what will happen. Overall trend, it's still an uptrend. Okay pa rin actually. Overall, this is the longer trend for CHP. Pwede ba pasukin yan si CHP? Maganda ngayon, kaka-bounce lang. Hopefully, mag-sustain yung support na yan, bagong support. Yeah, you can test out CHP. Pero wag malaking pera, test buy lang on the supports. If it starts to go up, then that's when you add more and creates a new uptrend. PIP, MA20 bounce. We just talked about this. Look at that. Beautiful MA20 bounce. PIP, get in your MA20 as much as you can for PIP should you want to enter it. Okay, definitely on a strong trend si PIP. Next kay PIP, si BCOR. And si BCOR gap up yesterday. So this is an engulfing pattern. I want BCOR to stabilize and bounce before I want to recommend BCOR. Masyadong nataas na po si BCOR. Arjel Mendoza, good morning Sir Lloyd. Ay, nabasa ko na po yan. Lan Feliciano, tama sir, kung di naman kailangan ni dito makipag-partner sa iba. This is from Emily. Wag na lang, lubog na lubog ako dyan kay Now dati eh. Yeah, I don't think dito company, don't think they're gonna be partnering up, but the government is giving them the chances to really make it quick, but dito sa mga nakikita ko dito is they're playing it safe. They want to do it by themselves kasi kaya naman nila. They have China to back it up. They have the technology already. They have the funds. They don't really need it. Should the pressure comes na kailangan na nilang mag roll out talaga, then I think that's the time that they will consider partners. But for now, wala pa naman. Soon, good morning sa Sunkong, si Eman from Lan Feliciano, pasilip naman kay Shell PH and PCOR. Hello Eman, Shell PH. PIP po, buhusan ngayon sir kasi kahapon po yung ex-divs or salo ng mamaya na, just wait for it near MA20, masyado mataas rin pa kasi yon. Shell PH, ang ganda ng volume yesterday kahit pula yan, that's good volume you can account on. That means there's accumulation on that level. If may green po yan, pwede nyo po testing si Shell PH, use this area as your support for Shell PH. PCOR and si PCOR nagda-downtrend pa, stay away from PCOR for now. Hafa Aday, good morning Sir Lloyd from Macau. Good morning po sa inyo dyan. Ron Conanan is held for review. Sir, kailan po pwede mag-copy trading ulit? Anytime is good to copy trade, especially now that my positions are still not that high, right? Go to real portfolio. Nasa pinakamataas ko ngayon is just 2%, so and then the rest is 0% pa lang. So napakamura pa ng positions. This is the best time to copy trade. Just copy trade anytime you can. This is to show yan, Mark Lizaso. Sir, anong palagay nyo kay SWN, kay eToro? SWN, alright, Southwestern Energy Corporation. Uy, maganda na yung volume kaso nga lang very very heavy volume. May divergence na, right? Let's just wait for this to stabilize. This is looking good. I don't know what the reason bakit bumagsak siya. Maganda naman first quarter earnings niya. Annual earnings 77. Wow, amazing. Natawa ako dito I don't know what may surprise. Not sure why they call it surprise. But ganda na earnings sa first quarter. This should help the stock. Divergence definitely, makikit pababa ang presyo. RSI starting to stabilize. It's just that touching pa siya sa lower Bollinger Band, so there's still momentum on the downtrend. Antayin lang natin mag-stabilize nito. Pwede nyo abangan yan. Noel Menano, may overnight fee po ba sa eToro? Check nyo po assettv.com for that analysis for international market discussion. Alis na po download ko lang po a session later. Alright, very good. Thank you for the Noel. This is good. I'll write this down. Assettv.com. Right, I'll write this down. This is something to check out later. Dagdag yan sa mga natin, sa mga news natin. Ang ganda sa international market kasi pag may magandang news, gumagalaw ang stock. Right? I'll show this so that everyone can see it. Emily Gulciano, sir, insights kay AAPL. AAPL, si Apple. Right. May resistance kay Apple. This is the highest it has been before. So far, so good naman si Apple. I'm just waiting for Apple to break out. That will be another entry. Actually, yung MA20 niya nag-bounce. That was, medyo hindi naman nag-touch sa upper Bollinger Band. Kaya nagpahinga pa siya. Breakout would be a good entry for Apple lang muna. Right, Romnick TV Tech po. Abangan ang bounce ni Tech. And that's a good entry pag nag-bounce yan. Oliver de Guzman, IRC, sir. Si Tech, baka malaki na yung galaw kasi ni Tech lumalaki yung galaw ni Tech, so baka maraming nag-aabang dyan, so baka gumalaw rin na malakas yan. Abangan nyo po ang bounce today, pwede nyo pasukin yan. I'd say yes, Tech is already an entry pag nag-green. IRC, we talked about IRC already. Bodega habang nasa support pa. Emmanuel Nadera, sir, anong psychology pagbuhos ng ISM for the past days? That's the Philippine stock market for you. Kasi sa Philippine stock market, the volume is still very low right now. Pag maliit ang volume, that tells you there is not much investors as of the moment. Right? Pag konti lang ang investors, hirap po umakyat ang stock. The reason why Jollibee has been going up so strong is because marami po investor kay Jollibee. Kaya ISM, and with the stock market right now, napakalit lang ng volume, meaning konti lang investors, meaning maraming chupetero. Karamihan sa mga naglalaro sa PSE ngayon are the short-term guys. Right? Yung mga long-term people, nakatambay lang yan. They wanna be aggressive on the right time. The people right now in PSE are traders, and these are short-fused people na kung makita na sell-off, magbebenta rin yan. And if kasi maraming short-term lang pag nagkabentahan, meaning mas maraming magbebenta, konti lang investors, so meaning konti lang bumibili. Pag ganun ang nangyari, much more sellers than the buyers, bumabagsak talaga, kaya nagka-sell off. That's the psychology behind it. That's why I told you guys, do not be aggressive on the stock market while the volume is not up there yet. Bakit? Kasi pag mahal na yan, mas maraming magbebenta, konti lang investors, babagsak talaga yan, and may ipit talaga. Malaki ang tendency na bumabagsak ang stocks talaga in this kind of market conditions. Okay? So I hope you understand that more. Mark JP Gonzalez, EEI poster. Si EEI, magandang company. It's just that it's too high for me already for the climb. But we are playing at MA20. Yes, definitely. We talked about this yesterday. Pwede nyo pa pong i-testing yung MA20 na yan. Still holding naman si MA20. So why not? Diba? EEI, test it out. The trend is your friend. It's still on an uptrend. Si BPI, bodega po ng BPI. Habang nasa baba pa yan, malakas ang climb yesterday. Congratulations sa mga nagbodega na. Guys, huwag nyo po antayin na lumipad yan bago pumasok. Tingnan nyo, lumipad na ngayon. Ilang araw ko na po yan sinabi sa inyo, magbodega na habang nasa baba pa. And lumilipad na si BPI. And there's good volume on those spikes. So, hopefully, makahabol pa kayo. BPI is a good company to put money in. Jappy B TV, good morning sir. Tugs is for medium to long term. Bodega lang. Just keep buying the dips. Keep buying the support. BHI, says BHA, atong lakas rin, right? We talked about this yesterday. Nag-confirm na siya ng support. I'd say yes, that's already a buy. And there it is, lumipad si BHI. Don't go in anymore today. Wait na lang ng pullback and bounce. Hopefully bigyan tayo. If not, that's a missed opportunity. Wag na maiinggit. IRC, just keep buying the support. JBL Tech, morning sir Lloyd. Ano kay effect na robbery ni MBT kahapon? Pa-inside LR po sir. That's just one branch, right? The branches are insured naman, so that shouldn't be much of an effect. That shouldn't be much of a problem for MBT for the stock. It might affect the stock, kaya po siya nahirapan yesterday, but hindi naman talaga gaano nakaka-effect. Oliver de Guzman, that's the beauty of insurance. VLL, when you have insurance for your business, something happens, you're good, right? VLL, right? The pullback and bounce is starting already. Dito po, near MA20 tayo pumasok for VLL as much as possible. Motofloat, ISM po, morning. ISM is already good entry for long-term traders. For short-term traders, masyadong volatile pa. Huwag muna. Uku 788, si Sir FB ba nagpo-pullback lang? Facebook, is it Facebook, this FB? Because yes, nagpo-pullback lang yan. We're still on a breakout. Level. So that's still okay for Facebook. Or is it the PSEFB? PSEFB, nasa support pa naman. So, nagsustain pa naman yung support ni FB. Now, Georgina C. Georgina Wilson. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Is it time to be aggressive in buying stocks with the PSEi performed? Yesterday, Sir, MBT po, naiwan ang mga financial stocks. Okay po ba? Yes, sila BPI and MBT. Si MBT kasi may bad news kahapon kaya hindi gaanong nakalipad. But overall, it's still a good company. I'd say yes, it's still a good buy. Pwede na po ba humble kay FLI? SMPH and Ali. No, I don't want you to chase SMPH and Ali habang nasa taas po. Position po tayo as much as possible. I've been recommending SMPH here and umakit na. Antay lang ng pullback. Right? Follow a system. Pullback system po tayo. Ali nag-all-time high. Huwag habulin. Always on a pullback lang on these kinds of stocks. Especially yung mga nasa taas na. Si FLI, ayun, nasa MA20 na si FLI. Let's wait for a green for FLI. If it goes green, then that's a good support we can test out for Phil Invest. Nico Managa, good morning coach. Did you know something about eToro wallet? Can you share some insights? eToro wallet, I haven't used it yet, really. But yeah, eToro wallet is possible. Pero Bitcoin kasi, I don't really use Bitcoin that much. That's why eToro wallet, I'm not using eToro wallet. But you can use if you're a user of Bitcoin, kasi may mga cities dito na gumagamit ng mga, meron nga dito, 'di ba? In the internationally, there are already cities that accepts cryptocurrency as a means to trade, to do business, right? Pwede ka na magbayad using crypto. So if you're at that level, then you can use eToro wallet. eToro wallet. It's not yet useful for us here right now. Okay? But definitely soon, pag maganda na yung cryptocurrency sa country natin, we can use eToro wallet most definitely. Hops, sir, if magwi-withdraw sa eToro, saan po makikredit? Diretso yan sa kung saan, ano ang ginamit mong payment instrument. Sir, paano if mas gusto ko i-add additional fund for copy trading? Should I stop copying and recopy? I'd say yes, because right now, wala pa ako sa position to flatten my port. Close nyo lang po and then copy it again. Add funds, then copy it again. You're just gonna be opening up the same positions anyways and magtutuloy-tuloy po yan after. Sean Lau, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning then. Reynold Poblacion, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Maxes, please. Salamat. Si Maxes is looking well. 908, I'm gonna go to my picks. Ito si Maxes I really want Maxes to make a stabilization and create a new support before I want to recommend Maxes, since we're seeing lower lows already. I want it to stabilize pa before I want to recommend it again. Good morning, Paulo Drew, IRC. Bodega lang kay IRC habang nasa support pa. I'll go to my picks. Konti lang naman ang picks ko for today. Number 1 pick for today is, let me post it in the comments. Andyan po sa video description ang picks ko. Katay ng nose ko. Excuse me, Annie. Number 1 is Annie. And Agri-Nurture. Right, so you just confirmed the support for Annie. It's a buy already for Annie. Very low risk position, so why not? SMC starting to confirm the support. I've been recommending SMC for how many days and umaakit na po ng simula na. Hindi pa huli ang lahat, pwede pang habulin. So SMC is still a buy. Next is LTG, MA20 bounce. We talked about this. And then nagtuloy-tuloy pa. Still very near MA20. Pwede pang habulin. And then lastly, si Ayala Corporation. Ito yung mga blue chips na naiwan. We're already seeing a bounce. That's a higher low already for AC. That's a buy for AC. I'd say yes. Pwede na po ang bilhin sa AC. Habang mura pa, it should go up if the market starts to go up. Right, those are my picks for today, July 12, 2019. I'll go back to the questions. Isabella, ako nag-gain sa ISM kasi buy ako nung bumagsak kahapon. Yes, definitely. Good job, Isabella. 'Di ba? Those are not sell levels, those are buy levels. Kaya wag po tayo magbenta kung andun na sa baba. Dapat doon pa lang kung nagsimula yung pagbagsak. Nag-cut loss na tayo. The levels yesterday were already buy levels. Hindi na siya bumababa and it really started to go up already. Those are buy levels. Good job on buying, Isabella. Alvin Jose de la Torre, good morning, sir. Pa-explain sana ulit yung eToro. Anong perfect time to do copy trading and ano on flow? Kasi nakopy ako pero negative pa rin ako kahit yung kinopy ako green na. Just leave it be, right? Mahirap yan kasi sa simula. You can't expect na mag-copy ka, aakit yan kaagad. You're looking for another time to enter na maakit yan kaagad. Copy trading doesn't work like that. It's just that I always think about the copiers. That's why nagpa-flatten po ako. But you can't force other popular investors to flatten their trades. Especially marami po silang hawak na support nila. Kaya hindi po sila magpa-flatten basta-basta. So for those situations like right now, mahirapan ako mag-flatten ng port ko. There's no perfect timing here. Just copy it right away. And because if I'm holding it, most probably the stocks are still gonna go up because I still think these are gonna go up. Just copy it. If ever it goes down, okay lang. Let it stabilize for a month or two before you can really see the amount starting to go up. When you're copying po, it's not for short term. It's for mid to long term po ang copy trading. Okay? Kasi para kayo naka-ETFs trend dito, naka-fund. Kasi may fund manager kayo. Siya na po ang bahala dyan. Hindi po akyat yan kaagad-agad. Okay? Sir, so to answer your question, Alvin, just copy anytime. Really, Nicolas, Sir, PHA po, may good news po ata. May good news ba si PHA? If there is, then that's gonna be very good for PHA. But yeah, I'm still recommending PHA. Nasa MA20 bus. I recommended it yesterday. PH to grow 6 to 7% this year as government household resumes. Hindi naman kay PHA ito eh. Right, hindi ka po kay PHA yan. BPI po sir, BPI bodega pa. Sir, anong ibig sabihin? This is from John Vincent Pleto. Sir, ano ibig sabihin ng refunds sa copy trading? May na-receive kasi ako na refund. Dividends yan. Linalabas lang nila as refunds. Right? Most probably dividends yan. You can check out your history for that. Ito na ito. Deposit. Right, deposits. Ako wala akong refund, pero makikita nyo po dyan, meron kayong mga refunds. That is for ano? That is for dividends. Pag may dividends yung stocks ninyo, makikita nyo po dyan. FLI po, Philinvest. It's still resting at MA20. You can test it out. Jaros de la Calzada. Hey sir, morning. Paki-explain po yung trailing stop loss sa eToro. Thanks po. Have a good day. I'll create a different video about trailing stop loss kasi pwede po yan whenever you have something. Whenever you buy, let's go to my virtual portfolio. There's an option that says trailing stop loss. Let's say you wanna buy Bitcoin and you wanna trade. Take profits and stop loss. Meron po dito trailing stop loss. Right, trailing stop loss is designed to protect gains by enabling a trade to remain open and continue to profit as long as the price is moving in the right direction. Meron po kasing AIC, I'll just explain it. Meron po kasing AIC eToro which determines trends, right? As long as the stock is on uptrend, hindi po i-close ang position. Now, if it breaks the uptrend, i-close po ni eToro yung position. That's called trailing stop loss. Automatic trailing stop loss. Pwede po yan. That's the beauty of eToro. Pwede nyo po, if your stock is still on an uptrend, as long as, I'm not sure kung ano yung trend na fina-follow nila. I think it's the MA20 that they're following. If it breaks the MA20, it will stop loss. Right? It will auto stop loss. Right? Kasi it's trailing stop loss. I'll get more information about it, make an episode about it. Mars Lascaban, IRC and Ion, Sir Lloyd. IRC and Ion. Time check, it's 9:14. IRC, just keep buying the support for IRC. Bodega na yan habang mura pa kasi that's a very strong support area for IRC. Next is Ion. Si Ion naman, may support din ito eh. Right, so Ion, just confirm the support. I'd say yes, Ion's still okay. Just keep buying the support. Buy as long as the support holds for Ion. Morning, Sir Lloyd. I know late na. This is from Richard New. Good morning then. I can't find my last comment. Ayun, ang dami pa palang comments. Bilisan ko guys kasi ang dami pang comments. Hindi ko po mabasa lahat. Pressure measurements, prints of units, equations, super formula creations. Princess command to my daughter. Holy Mary, my wife. Okay. Mars Lascaban. Arnold Capiral. Sir, dito po ba at ISM magkahiwalay sa PSEi? No. Right? Dito is a product of ISM. So, it's still under ISM. Under Udena. Gary Maling, thoughts po kay SSI and FED. SSI, masyado mataas na para paglaruan. I want it stabilized first before I wanna enter it. Si FEN naman, wait lang tayo ng bounce anytime soon for FEN to enter. FLI po, FLI, MA20, pag nag-green yan, pwede nyo pong pasukin for si FLI. Swiss Miss, Sir Lloyd, ABA po, thank you. Yun, si ABA, uy, galing. Nag-stabilize si ABA, maybe, it's gonna rest. Ang problema ko kay ABA, masyadong mahal na. I don't want to play with this stock anymore, but if you really want to enter, kung gusto nyo pong i-trade, kasi baka magtuloy-tuloy pa, the trend is your friend, because this can still go up. Don't get me wrong, just get in your MA20 as much as you can, and then use MA20 as your support. Really, Nicholas, Kios, Ayos, Sir Lloyd, manood kami bukas. Alright, so bukas again, I'm gonna have a program at around 10 10 in the morning. It's gonna be about money making, definitely about money making. It's not just about stocks. It's about financial literacy program na talaga. Every Saturdays po yan ang plano ko. Every 9 in the morning. Still thinking of a title. Bukas niyo po malalaman ang title. And then please share it tomorrow, okay? Excited kami for tomorrow's live stream. King Bakay, that's coach. That's good. Right. Lorraine de Guzman, de Guz, sir, nag-bounce si ISMC. Pwede na ba mag-add or downtrend? Pwede mag-add for long term. Definitely very cheap already. If it goes further down, then just add more. Pwede po yan. So, what I can recommend is if you have funds to add, wag nyo po ilalahat today. Pwede po kayo mag-add ng konti ngayon para kung bumaba pa, meron pa kayong pera to add more. Right? You can add some today. If it starts an uptrend, another uptrend, then you can add more then. Right? Never go all in, even on adding more funds. King Bakay, that's good, coach. Right? Rusil Salgado, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay Meg and Phoenix. Thank you, Meg. Si Meg naman, ganda ni Meg eh. Just wait for the breakout, or if it gives us an opportunity to buy more at the support, then definitely it's a buy. Phoenix for long term, grab a consolidation, buy as long as that support holds. MC Butete, hi Sir Lloyd, gold, okay, gold po ba? Okay to buy na? Thanks, kamustahin natin nga si gold. Gold. Dito na lang ako mag-gold. Ang dami kasing gold na available products eh. Dito na lang para sure. Stats. Chart. Ayan. Gold chart. Uy, mahirap ito. Ayoko pasukin yan. Masyado mataas na si gold actually. It's been at a very high level already. This is poised to pull back anytime soon. I don't really want to recommend that yet. Meron tayong malakas na resistances. So, stay away from gold na. Mike R. Kailan po magkakaroon ng slot sa mangingisda.org? Very good question. We are planning one on January. Oh, nga pala guys, good news. Yesterday, we've submitted we have development sa permits natin. So, we'll show it to you once it's out. January po, we're gonna be adding more funds more slots sa mangingisda.org. After the first harvest. Fe Avelino, good morning Sir Lloyd. What do you mean of scalping, trading in eToro? Scalping po is scalping is yung gagawa siya ng momentum. When an asset starts to build a momentum, sabayan nyo po ang momentum kahit konting angat lang, di ba? A stock or momentum can climb around 1%, 2%, 3%, di ba? Momentum ang sasabayan niyo po, kahit po 1% lang or even 0.5% na momentum, okay na po yan. Since we have leveraging in eToro. So even at a 0.5%, if you use a times 10 leverage, that's already 5% gain. If makikita niyo po dito, these guys, let's say for example, not that guys, nope, ito, like this guy right here, si Achilles, makikita nyo po, 26% gain on this trade, 31% gain on this trade, 37% on this gain. It's because they're leveraging, they're using leverage. So kahit 0.5 lang ang gain, right? Kahit 0.5 lang ang gain, if you leverage it times 50, or if makakuha kayo ng 1% na gain and you leverage it to times 50, then that's 50% gain for you. So, you bank on the little spikes, like 0.5 or to 1% na spike na gain. Benta nyo na kaagad. Because of the leveraging, kumpul-kumpul po. Laki po ng pera. Right? This is $510, $510, and that's scalping for you. That's how much you can earn in scalping. Okay? Magaling na po ang mga tao dito. My co-admins here are teaching people how to do scalping. Pero hindi po nila tinatanggap ang mga newbies for scalping. They want to know if you already know how to position trade, because this takes lots of guts, lots of skills. If marunong na po kayo mag-trade, you can go to this level in the future. Right? Yan, nagla-leverage yung mga yan. Times ano po yung leverage na yan? The 5 minutes time frame. So, it's day trading. It's kind of hard, but not impossible to do. Okay? Join this group, guys. Team eToro Pilipinas. This is gonna be helpful for you. Ramon, sir, paano po mag-short sell sa eToro? Paano mag-short sell sa eToro? I wanna answer that question. To short sell eToro, basically, just click on trade. For example, si Gold, gusto mo yung short sell, just click on trade. And then, naka-automatic po yan, automatic na sa buy. Make sure you click on sell first. If you click on sell, then you're on short selling na. So, you can do this already. And stop loss mo, magkano. And then, that's short selling already pag naka-sell po ang pindot ninyo. Right? From that point. Alright. Ramon, ganun lang mag-short sell, easy as that. Marvin Esmero, Sir, BPI, MPI, and MBT, those are covered already. May tutorial po kayo sa eToro. We're planning a tutorial for the basic functions of eToro in this group. Right? We're just organizing it. Gagawa po kami ng tutorial for eToro. Okay? Again, if you haven't created an eToro account yet, please use my link. That's very important. I'm asking you to please make sure you use my link. Andyan po yung link sa video description. If you use my link, maka-join po kayo ng future na mga promotions ni eToro that are only exclusive if you use my link. Tulad ni 2Trade Asia, di ba? Si 2Trade Asia, may exclusive sila na promotion under me. Lahat ng mga students ko na nakapag-enroll under me can open a 2Trade Asia for only 5,000 pesos. Dito po sa eToro, last month we just had a promotion na $50 sa mga hindi pa nakapag-fund ng account, and that's already finished. So, yan, you can join those kinds of promotions. We're planning to create an eToro Cup. It's a trading contest for those who are under my link. So only those people who used my link can join that. Can join that competition. And hindi po nagtitipid si eToro when it comes to prices. Yung last month lang na promotion, that is 6 million pesos worth na binigay po nila. So that's amazing. So please use my account. Make sure you use my link when you create an eToro account. Sir, nickel po, nickel is looking good. Kaso nga lang ang presyo ni nickel is bumaba eh. Kaya I can't really recommend nickel, though it has good price action. Technical analysis wise, pwede po yan pasukin. Natatakot lang ako sa presyo ni nickel bumabagsak. Chad Nicola Zara, hi Sir Lloyd, can we check XRP please in eToro? XRP bumabagsak eh. XRP USD. Right, so XRP downtrend pa po, stay away from it. Georgina, Sir, tel po. Kamustahin natin si Tel. Time check, it's 9:24. Pasensya na if hindi ko masasagot po lahat. Si Tugs from Jumar. Tugs, bodega lang habang nasa baba. Tel has a good support. You can test out the support for Tel. Just in case mag-miss siya, always cut your losses lang. Okay? But this is a good support for Tel already. Giovan Zar, Ali, Bloom. Si Ali, masyado mataas na. All-time high. Si Bloom, kind of good. Si Bloom, I'm just waiting for Bloom to really do a breakout na lang. Pwede support entry for Bloom. Meron kasi tayong downtrend here, downtrend line. Yeah, Bloom is okay. I'd say yes, Bloom is good to buy already. Good morning, sir. Watching again from Myanmar. Insights po kay URC. Last lang po ito, guys. Si URC, masyado mataas pa for me. It's starting to do a pullback. Let's see if we can get a green anytime soon. Pwede natin pasukin si URC. Alright, that's it. That's all the time we have for today. Tomorrow, guys, it's gonna be a financial literacy money-making session. 10 o'clock po. Every weekends po yan ang plano ko. Every Saturdays, 10 in the morning. We're gonna have a money-making session. I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy your weekend. Market, we're hoping for it to do a breakout. Saka na po kayo mag-aggressive pag nag-breakout na. Kung gusto nyo talagang pumasok ngayon, dun lang po sa mga stocks na nasa baba pa. Kasi aakyat po yan when the market starts to go up. Right? That's why you have to be aggressive at the right time. Antay po tayo mag-breakout na 8,200 and I think the market is gonna surge up after this very long consolidation. See you tomorrow. Let's get rich together. Bye, guys.